Okay, so in this video I will show you how to enable, disable and restore Google 2FA in ZERODHA application. ZERODHA is a stock market application in India Stock Exchange. So first let's see how to enable Google 2FA. So once you did login into the ZERODHA sites, under the profile section we have the section password and security, and here you found this option two-factor TOTP. When you click on TOTP, it will send a OTP to your email, and once so what you just need to do, you just need to copy the OTP received from email to this verify, and you will see this QR code after. You can use application like Chrome extension Google Authenticator. Where you just need to click on the scan QR code and just drag and drop this area, and it will import ZERODHA 2FA inside it. You can use your Google 2FA application also to scan the same QR code. So you have the 2FA OTP on your web browser and as well into the mobile application like Google 2FA. Then after you just need to click on this OTP, and here you need to replace the you need to give the OTP, and here you need to enter the password of your ZERODHA account and click enable. So it will be log out, and you need to log in again, and at this time it will ask TOTP. So here I can copy my TOTP easily and can do login. So this way you can secure your ZERODHA account with Google 2FA authentication method. It also make your authentic login process much smoother, as you see. Now you see that Google 2FA is enabled. If you want to disable it, so what you need to do first, you just need to click on disable, and it will ask you to change the PIN number or change the password. So in my case I will change the PIN number. So I will enter my 6-digit PIN number here. Also, it is required to enter the current password in this field also. Once you submit it, it will send a OTP again to your email. So let's see the OTP. Latest OTP that received in the email, and that's it. So it shows your PIN changed successfully, and you need to log in now. So when I do the login again, here you see Google 2FA are disabled, and now it is allow me to do login with a PIN. So here you see that my Google 2FA is disabled, and when now my two-factor authentication work with a PIN code 6 digit pin code instead of Google 2FA.